Hey guys, Steve Welch here, standing in front of a new 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser, and there's no body style change to this vehicle. It's been the same as what it was in 26. So why would I specifically stand in front of this? And there's actually a really good reason. This is the first model, so out of all the Camry, Corolla, RAV4, all the Toyotas that are out there, the first model is switched to a 2027. And normally that wouldn't be a big deal, especially since there's not a change when it comes to the overall body style. But the 2027s are actually getting a major change across the board when it comes to something that Toyota has done in the past, right? And for a very long time. So all the vehicles that were up to a 2026 have had Toyotacare. Toyotacare is a 2-year or 25,000 mile maintenance program. So up to 5 services in the first 2 years, as long as it was prior to the 2 years and prior to the 25,000 miles. Well, Toyota has changed that, and they're giving you something and they're taking something away. So I think you're going to be kind of interested to hear the other part of this too. So, so what they've changed is they've changed it to a 1-year, 10,000 mile Toyotacare plan. So that means that there's 2 services over the course of up to 1 year or up to 10,000 miles. So that's basically, it's 2 total services for like your fluid top offs, things like that, and 1 oil change, which would be recommended at 10,000 miles. So what's kind of the big deal on what, so they're taking a little bit of the service away. Why am I kind of excited about what's happening on the backside? Well, if you look at the current connected services, and a lot of people have had, there's everybody out there is always griped about, paying for the connected services and stuff like that, and it just is. I understand it. I'm there too. I pay for them every month myself. The $15, I get the Drive Connect, and I get the my Remote Connect, and that's really what I want. So why am I excited? Well, the new connected services is actually changing. So, got a car wash behind me here, but so they're changing it. So when it first came out, Remote Connect actually gave you 3 months, and this is back in 2019, 18, 19. I believe it first came out on the Camry. Could be wrong, but I believe I'm right. It gave you 3 months of a trial. And after that, you'd have to pay for it, but it was $8, and you could do that individually, and you could pay for a full year at $80. That's kind of what it was. And then they kind of started tweaking it a little bit, and then they gave you your first year free, and then it was $8 again if you wanted to do just the Remote Connect. And then they switched from there, and I'm not going to try to get into the time frame when they did, just because it was there. I want to say it was probably 19, maybe 20 that they did that, but they switched from the 1 year, so they switched from the 1 year that you could get for $8 a month or $80 a year, and they switched it to a monthly only program where it was $15 a month if you wanted the Remote Connect, but you couldn't just get the Remote Connect. You had to get the Drive Connect and the Remote Connect, or the music plan, which will give you your Apple Music or your Amazon Music that you could actually play on your screen independent of your phone. That would give you that plus the your Remote Connect. Well, that was $15. You couldn't, and if you wanted all 3 of them, it's $25, and that's still current that is the case. Well, they're changing that. And I know it kind of got long-winded to get there. I had to let you know where we came from. So, but now they're changing it to where, and let me back up real quick too. You also had Safety Connect. When Safety Connect originally came around, that's your SOS button that's up on the top. So when Safety Connect originally came around, you had a 1-year trial on Safety Connect. So your SOS button would be for 1 year, and after that, once again, it was your $8 a month. And so Toyota ended up switching that and saying, look, we're going to basically keep the SOS button on for about as long as they expected the 4G system to last. And that was, saying, look, 10 years. 10 years SOS, you got it for 10 years. Well, then they started going, look, we're going to start to say it a little different because we don't want to say it in a way that's not accurate. So they started to say, minimum 5 years or longer. And that's kind of how they started to say it. So basically, as long as you have a 4G system, the SOS button was going to be accurate. Now, the RAV4, the new RAV4 is switched over to a 5G system, but they're still saying it the exact same way. So, you know, the 5 years or longer kind of a thing for that. All right, so what's my very long-winded way about being excited about this? Why am I actually excited about the connected services side? Because like I said, it's been a point of contention with a lot of people, and now Toyota's gonna give you more. So here's how. So you're gonna get the Safety Connect is going to be now a 5-year trial, and that's based off the 4G system being available again. So 5-year, it's just stating 5 years now. But like I said, it was stating before 5 years or longer, but 5 years now for your Safety Connect. Your Service Connect. Now, what's Service Connect? Well, Service Connect had it up to 10 years as well on the previous, but Service Connect is where the car can actually communicate with the dealership service department, and you have a check engine light come on, a maintenance light, something like that. It can tell the service department that it's time to contact you because you need us. So that's your Service Connect. But now this is the big one, so Remote Connect. And the Remote Connect is actually pretty easy. You can start, you can stop, you can lock your car, unlock it, find out where you parked, all the other stuff. So you can do all of this stuff on the Remote Connect. Well, like I said, that had a 3-month and then a year, and then you could pay for it. And then now it's going to a 5-year trial on the Remote Connect. So a 5-year trial on the Remote Connect. Your Drive Connect, you're gonna have a 3-month trial on your Drive Connect. So if you wanna have the maps that are integrated from Toyota, you're gonna have to actually pay for that going forward. But you had to do that anyway, but that was a 3-month trial for there. And then your Wi-Fi, you'll get up to 30 days or a 3 gig trial on your Wi-Fi Connect. That's through AT&T. So why is that? You know, they went from a year, they had it for different amount of terms. It never really lasted longer than about a month anyway, because 3 gigs is, by the time you can get to 3 gigs pretty quick, let's put it that way. So you never really lasted much longer than a month if you actually use the Wi-Fi. So, but you could buy an independent phone line for your vehicle and you just have Wi-Fi in your vehicle. So all that is true when it comes to your vehicle. So if you guys are thinking about getting a 27, there are some changes on the 27. Like I said, the maintenance is going back, but you're gonna get more on your connected services trials. So what fits you better? I don't know, that's your answer. That's not my answer. I always like to tell people, they ask me questions like that. That's your answer. That's not my answer. That's your answer. But me personally on mine, I'll spend less in my mind if I had the 5-year trial, because I'm currently paying the $15 a month to have the Drive Connect and my Remote Connect. So I'll spend less by not spending the $15 a month and just paying for the extra maintenance. And I think most people would probably end up in the same way. So that's why I said this has an exciting feature to it. And that's just kind of where I think it comes from, is that Toyota's actually made it to where, okay, the maintenance is going to be a little bit, and you know, it's going to be less that they give you, but they're going to give you more of the connected services. And realistically, most dealerships, ours included, we can actually, in finance, you can buy an extended maintenance plan that's really not that expensive. And if you take the 5 years or the $15 a month, you're going to spend less on the maintenance plan, where you can extend it for 6 services, or I think some of them are 11 services or that. You're probably still going to spend less on the maintenance plan if you got that than what you would have spent on your connected services. So just a way to think about it. But like I said, there's some exciting changes, some questions coming forward when it comes to the new Toyotas. That's Southwest. But when it comes to your maintenance, when it comes to your connected services, I know a lot of people wanted the connected services to last longer before you had to pay for them, myself included. Toyota found a way to do it, and just kind of breaking this news as this first 27 Land Cruiser, and the rest of the 27s will end up starting to switch over behind it. But as that first 27 lands, kind of giving you that information, and you guys have a great day. Hopefully I've given you something you didn't know. Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.